In this video, we will talk about the future value of an ordinary annuity. First of all, an annuity is a sequence of equal periodic payments. For example, putting $100 every month in a bank account at a certain interest rate is considered an annuity. And an ordinary annuity is an annuity such that each payment is made at the end of every paying period. Finding the future value of an ordinary annuity is to calculate how much a sequence of equal periodic payments is worth after a period of time. This is the formula we use to calculate the future value of an ordinary annuity, where F is the future value of the annuity, R is the periodic payment, or you can call it rent, I is the interest rate per paying period. It can be calculated as the annual interest rate, R, divided by how many times your interest is compounded per year, M, and N is the total number of payments, or the total number of paying periods for the annuity. Let's look at one word problem example here. A company offered an annuity that pays 7.25% compounded monthly if $1,000 is deposited into this annuity every month. How much is in the account after 15 years? How much is the interest? Okay, let's focus on the first question here. How much is in the account after 15 years? Here we're looking for the future value of an annuity. We'll use the future value of an annuity formula. Here's the formula, and we're looking for the future value F. So we need to find the rest of the variables in this formula, which is R, I, and N. Right? We need to find those three values. First of all, R is the rent, or we can call it the periodic payment, is $1,000. So this is the R. And I is the interest rate per period. In our case, it will be the interest rate per month. Right? The 7.25% is the annual interest rate, which is the R. Right? And I should be equal to 0.0725 divided by each month, 12. That's our I. And N is the total number of payments. Okay, so we're paying $1,000 every month for 15 years, right? So the total number of payments should be 12 for each year times 15 years, which is 180 payments. After plugging in the R, I, and N into the formula, this is what we'll have. Then I will do the calculation by using a calculator. Okay, so this number is what I got. To round it to the nearest cent, it will be $323,943.07. This answers the first question. After 15 years, we'll have this much money in the account. Let's look at the second question here. How much of this is interest? To find how much of this is interest, first we want to find how much of this is not interest. then we will use the total amount of money in the account to subtract a part that is not interest, which is payment from $1,000 per month. Then what we'll get is the interest. Right. So we're paying $1,000 a month for 15 years, which is 180 payments. So the total number you have paid to the company is 1,000 times 180 payments, which will be $180,000. And the interest will be the difference of these two numbers, which is 143,943.07. And this is the end of this video.